Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samayal. Today we will be seeing a vegetarian meal prep. That is continuation of part 1 which we have done it with non-vegetarian. This is the vegetable meal prep I am doing it. Okay, let's start with the first one. In this one I have used onion, tomato, brinjal, drumstick and with the normal spices like chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, little bit of jeera powder, and I have used carrot and potato also. Both of these vegetables will not come under low carb, but I'm still using it as my kids like it. So the combination of these vegetables can be one prep for the meal, and it's very easy also. So you have to just keep everything together along with the spices and it is ready to go for the meal prep. The second one is for the kurma. I have just sliced a potato, carrot and peas. As I told you earlier, if you are following low carb diet, don't use carrot and potatoes, but this one is for the normal prep. Okay, and the third one, I'm using little bit of jeera powder into a bowl and garlic powder and ginger powder. Even if you want, you can use ginger garlic paste also, but I prefer to use the powders for certain dishes. And along with this I'm using little bit of pepper, not little bit, it's more of pepper in this, and salt. Okay, now we can add the vegetables. I'm using in carrot, capsicum, tomatoes, beans and onion. You can see onions, everything I have diced into cubes, and even tomatoes I have taken out the pulp, only the skin I have used it. I'm putting in all the veggies into the spices we have added. I think, okay, I'm adding in paneer also. I should have taken a bigger bowl, sorry. Okay, just toss it little bit. If you have, I have already taken a small bowl, I don't want to, transfer it to the other one, so I thought I'll just use it in this itself. If it is in a bigger bowl, you can still use a spatula or a spoon to mix it together. Okay, that's it. See, we are not using any other spices like chili powders and all. This will go with pepper, and this can be tossed with butter, which is a very good meal prep. With always the vegetables are to your choice. Like you can use any sort of vegetables, but the combination of these vegetables will go well also. So it's ready to go into the refrigerator. Okay, try this vegetarian meal prep recipes also. Like if I will post some more in coming videos. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samayal. Thank you so much. Bye bye.